Now, do I push it down in there?
Yeah, push it down in as far as it'll go, and then just close the door on it.
Okay.
There you go. Now, when you come to full cock, it's hot.
Okay.
When do I plug my ears?
Now. Next time, wait till you're kneeled down, then. Now, if you get your left elbow down against your knee, kind of get your body down. Marcy, can you see me okay? Now, let me see where you're going with it all.
Yeah, hang on, Louis.
Yep, I think you're going to be good.
You're on the bottom left corner, is that okay?
Now, pull it into your shoulder tight, because it kicks a little. A lot of officers have their own rifles. They didn't shoot you. Put the sagebrush on top of that front sight and get it all lined up and see what happens.